Today I want to talk to you about affordability in today's home buyer. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Affordability is one of the biggest concerns for today's home buyer. So let's look at some of the different expenses that affect if a buyer can afford a home. Now, affordability isn't just about the initial price of the home, but also about foreseeing future expenses such as repairs, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. The neighborhood you choose can also impact your affordability. Sometimes having a longer commute can mean more home for your money, but at the expense of paying higher commuting expenses. Energy efficiency also affects your affordability. Homes that are more efficient with energy-saving features might have a higher upfront cost, but can save you money in the long run. So while there are lots of things that relate to the home's affordability, in the end, the most affordable home is the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle needs. That's the home that's going to give you the most value. It's not just about finding a place to live, but also about securing a foundation for your future and building your net worth over time. So if you are curious about the affordability of your next move, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.